Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Val, and for today's video I decided that I wanted to try doing makeup for pretty much the first time ever. So I have really just never been interested in makeup to the point of like where I'm trying to do it every day. That just hasn't been something that I've wanted to do until my most recent years. But I just don't really know how to do it. Like I don't know anything about makeup. So I have gathered some items, okay? And I am going to try to do my makeup for the first time ever. And I'm scared because I'm scared it might look awful and I'll be really sad. But you know what? At least I've tried, and you guys can help me and, you know, tell me what I'm doing wrong, what I can like fix, how I can make it look better. But I'm like watching a tutorial as I go along so I can like, you know, try to make this work, you know? So I've got my mirror in front of me, my laptop here, a bunch of makeup. My mom is obsessed with makeup, so she has so much makeup, and luckily like all of this is in my shade. There were a couple things that I had to get, but all of this is in my shade, so which is kind of crazy. But she is obsessed with makeup. She has so many Fenty beauty items. Unfortunately this Fenty is just a little bit too dark for me, so I won't be using it, but there's so much. So I'm going to try to do my makeup for the first time ever, and I'm kind of scared yet excited to see what it looks like. I already said that, but yeah, this is what I'm looking like right now. Personally, I think that, you know, not that I'm just so cute, but like I just don't know how much makeup suits me. So that's like my biggest thing. Plus also when I was younger, I went to school wearing makeup in middle school, and it was like your Justice Just for Girls kit. And somebody said something really mean to me at the bus stop, and since then I had never worn makeup. So yeah, I've been a little bit insecure about it. So I'm gonna watch this video and try to do my makeup. Yeah, that's pretty much like how I'm gonna preface this video. Like I know I'm not good. I want some help. I want to get good. Like maybe I want to like have a daily routine of makeup. Probably not. But let's just try this out. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, so she's starting with brows, which that seems really advanced for me. Brows seem advanced, so I'm just gonna go skip that. Okay, so this girl is starting with foundation. So the foundation I'm gonna be using is the IL MAKIAGE foundation. She's using a sponge. I only have a concealer sponge, so I don't know if this is bad or not, and maybe this is a mistake. I don't know. So I'm gonna use this brush, but that seems wrong. I know this is for concealer, so I don't think you use a sponge now. I don't know if I've ever seen anybody use a brush. Okay, I'm just gonna use a brush. She put it on her skin right here. She did put it like this, and then she went like this. Hers was a lot more orange. Okay, this is what she did. And then she just went like this. Don't forget the neck. Okay, so she said, as you can see, her face looks very flawless. Does mine? And I'm like, let me just put some right here just to make sure that my neck don't look different colors. Do I look like orange or something? Do I look like weird? Okay, so now what she's doing is taking concealer and like putting it like, she said something about highlighting, like bringing forth some attributes, blah blah blah. I'm scared, like I'm nervous about this one. Okay, so she went like this, This is making me nervous. Also, this is Maybelline something concealer. Now let me see what she about to do. Okay, she's just blending it out. Should my sponge be wet? Let me Google. Okay, so I'm gonna go damp it. Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and my sponge is just barely damp. And now she's just blending it. Okay, so now she's taking a setting powder, translucent powder, and I have the Laura Mercier one. And she said that she's just taking the back of the sponge, like so. And then she said that she's gonna set it where we just put the concealer. And she said that this basically sets our makeup. Oh! Okay, now she's going in with like a contour type thing. Oh my god, do I look silly? Okay, she's going on with a contour type thing, which, let me see. I don't have contour, but I have this Bahama Mama type brown. Should I use that? Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, so she's doing eyeshadow now, but she's taking her contour shade and using it as eyeshadow, but this is not as like red as hers is. So I got this small little CoverGirl eyeshadow thing, so I'm just gonna try, you know, I'm just gonna try something out. This is so nerve. Okay, so do you have any tips? Okay, she's really not doing much except for just putting it on her eyelids like so. It's really funny because even when I go to perform for shows, I don't put on makeup, like, ever. Nobody's ever called me out on it. Nobody's ever said, Valerie, you need to wear makeup. Like, I wish somebody would. Nobody's ever said anything to me, so. Okay, now she didn't say to do this. I'm going off script here. I'm gonna take the second to lightest. It's like this nice gold, and put it like on my inside. Not my inside, but like this part right here. Okay, so now I'm looking something like this. It looks like I have something pink on my lips. I don't. Okay, I gotta let the lighting cool down because I look ashy. It doesn't look like I look ashy in real life. So if I'm looking ashy, I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm doing, but this is what I'm looking like right now. Let me just put a little bit, because I like this gold. Let me put a little bit more. I like that. I like that. I like that. Yeah, I like that gold. I like that. Okay, now, this is something I had learned from when, because I'm a dancer. So we put a really light color in our innards. and that's what I'm gonna do because I like that look. So I'm just gonna go like this. Ow. Okay, so that was just something like that. Like, this looks a little bit dusty, so I'm gonna take this brush because I don't know what to do and go like this. So now we're looking like this. And I got gold eyes. Oh, she used a highlighter for the inner tear ducts. So is that it? Like that? Do that on the bridge of her nose. Like blend that or something, because I don't know if it's supposed to be like a line there like that. Like, I don't really know. Okay, now she just went in with mascara. She's not doing eyeliner, but I want a little bit of eyeliner to like make something pop. I don't know what's gonna pop, but I'm trying to make something pop, you know? So, and oh my god, I know that I might not be very good at eyeliner, so let's just see how this do. All right. Ew, my eye looks scary. Okay. Obviously, I don't know how to do wings or anything, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. It looks kind of weird at the end, though. Okay. I know it's not good, y'all. I know. So now she's going in with mascara. So I'm actually going in, I have this Their Real Benefit mascara. I'm just gonna put on first. Okay, and I see like a lot of people do layering, they layer mascara and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna put the, whoa, the Great Lash Maybelline New York mascara. It looks like this. I know y'all have seen this because I've seen it from dancers, some of my friends. I know everybody be using this one. That hair looks kind of funny. Okay, so she didn't put anything on her lips, and I'm not gonna put anything on mine. Ooh, because I don't really like lip stuff. I do have my Aquaphor though that I'll just. Y'all, this is it. Oh my gosh. So come over here. So, whoa. Hold on. Give me a second. Oh my gosh. Can y'all see me good? Alrighty, so that's gonna conclude today's video. Like I said, this was just me like trying something out. In no way am I a professional or trying to be a professional. I don't know what I'm doing. I was just following a tutorial. So if y'all want to be kind and give me some tips and help me, tips and tricks, help me look cute, you know, if I want to go out, you know, and try to, you know, be cute. Let me know what I could do, how to spice some things up. So maybe one day I'll do this with like a good palette or something, or like watch like a James Charles, a James Charles, Jackie Aina tutorial or something, you know, try to look better. Let me know if that's what you want to see. Yeah, I didn't do my eyebrows. You know, I was just talking to my sister and she's like, if you did eyebrows, it could be so cute too. I'm like, girl, that seems hard. I'm not sure how to do that yet. So maybe I can get good at this or something. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. And, you know, I really appreciate everybody who watches, especially my mom because she is my top commenter. stay tuned for what comes next. I don't know what that's going to be, but subscribe, like, and comment what you want to see. Oh my god, that's a song. That's a song. I'm really excited right now because I didn't think it was gonna, I thought it was gonna look like really booty ugly. Anyway, like I said, thank you so much. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos from me. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.